What's up, good people? It's your girl Toya, and there go babe. Yo, I was tired, but we got a day ahead of us. Y'all see my eye? It's still tired. I mean, it should be closed, but we got a lot to do today. I have to do some stuff at the house before we go out. Babe want to go get her bike tuned up. I think mine they have different services. Babe wants a full tune up, and they have another service where they just kind of look at your bike, make sure the brakes are good, the tires are good, which I'm gonna get, but babe needs a little more done.
I need more done.
Huh? Because remember when we were riding before, like we had to keep adjusting. Was it your chain?
No.
So what do you need done besides your tires?
I think I just need a full tune.
Hmm?
A full tune.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yours need a full tune. Mine don't be doing that. So I just want to because I'm rolling around, just had them look at the brakes and make sure my tires are good. And they do one other thing that's not included with the full tune-up. And then we're going to go to this place. Wait, you still got the taste for tacos?
Yeah, that's just Saturday.
Boy, I wanted to try this place called Pretty Little Tacos in Atlanta. It's in, what is it called, babe? Barilla Tacos. And, because the other place we went to a couple times, it's far. So, found another spot, want to try. We'll see how we feel in the afternoon. And go try them out. Or we'll just go somewhere else. I'll try them another time. Y'all know what Babe got going on. Y'all see her? Babe, say hey to the people now.
Hey y'all.
She don't want to show her face this morning. Always them fingers though.
Good morning. I do this. I do this.
Mm.
Every time I do this. Every time I do this, I do this.
Hey, put your hand down. Alright, y'all. I found a spot on Monday. I think, you always got to do a lot of research because you can't go with the first people you find. So I think I found 5 or 6 different ones, compared all of them, ratings, all that, and definitely prices. So I found some that were pretty good, decent price. Going to reviews that have great service, so I'm gonna go try them out. Of course, we'll bring along, give you our review of them, and then whatever we decide to do for the rest of the day while we out there. But you know what we mean to go together? The Beltline. From the sun shining in our bathroom, it looks like it's gonna be a nice day. So, Georgia weather. I also need to start, if our lawman's coming back this year, because he ain't came to the subdivision at all. I don't know, I guess he start coming in April or May, who knows. Need to text him, but start do the preparation for our yard for the summer, or for the spring going into the summer. Also, what was that? I can do some of the stuff tomorrow also. Even though I'm going to work, I get off early, so. Babe, I see your face. Y'all see her eyes? I saw it. Babe, what was that about?
Nothing. I was looking at the ceiling.
Bet you were. All right, y'all.
What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Why are you here? Hmm? Say hi. Say hi. Calm it. Calm. 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 She gotta do the whole most, y'all. Look. Look. Act like she ain't seen me in ages. You see? Stop biting me. Calm down, girl. Come here. Come here. Calm down. Calm down. What is the problem? Why are you doing the most? Why? Tell him why you doing the most. Tell him. Tell him why you doing the most. Tell him why you being a bad girl. Hmm? You want to tell him? Okay, she want to tell y'all. She be acting so crazy. Well, she's not even supposed to be in the bed. Having time of your life, aren't you? Hey. Hi. Hey, girl. Hey. Hey. No. Trying to check over. Calm down. You better get thrown out. You better get thrown out. You about to get thrown out. You about to get thrown out. You about to get thrown. Get out my shirt. Don't bite me. Alright, y'all. Let me get up, brush my teeth, and probably looks like we might. Looks like we're having breakfast here. Because, she hasn't said anything about me getting ready. I just know that she asked me to free up my day today. So, let me go brush my teeth. Let me go brush my teeth. What kind of... This is dog abuse, y'all. Journey. Ow! Shit. Stop. Calm down. Calm it down. Calm it down now. Oh, my God. For the love of God. Go. Yeah, that's why when she can't get her way with me, she runs back downstairs to try to get her way with Toya. Dog is terrible. All right, y'all. So this is what my skin looks like, guys, after my quick little face wash regimen.
guys, so this is my Joe Malone unboxing. This is the gift that my mother-in-law gave me. I really wanted a Joe Malone candle, and this is the scent Peony Blush. And it just smells so divine. If you do not have yourself a Joe Malone candle, I strongly suggest you treat yourself to one. It is just fantastic, very luxe, and just gives me that feel that I want in my home. It's absolutely wonderful and smells divine.
Okay, guys, so we are, oh, I don't know if I want to wear don't want to wear a watch or not. I can't decide. I doubt it. So anyway, we are running. I wouldn't say running behind. We didn't have a time set, but we are, I guess, off to a late start, considering it's Friday. Keep forgetting that it's Friday. That's baby there somewhere. Let me turn this light on. Alexa, pause before we get copyrighted, honey. So yeah, as we are off to a late start, like I was saying, I want to go back to the container store because I had got these little contraptions here for the shower because I didn't like that. I feel like the shower caddy that I had in there was kind of like sucking up all the space in the shower. Our shower is not that large, so I wanted to kind of free up some space by getting suction things with, like, within 24 hours they fail. There is no suction, so it's going back. Ooh. These folks got some inches and don't know how to act, honey. What? These people got inches and don't know how to act.
Okay. Y'all, I don't know what Georgia got going on today.
I know. Look at how I'm dressed. Look at this. Oh my God. I can't believe it. I'm in sandals. I mean, we just gonna just zap right through winter and straight to spring. I don't understand it.
Well, it ain't officially spring yet, but the weather.
I mean, but all week it's gonna be warm like this. Can you grab that candle and put it back in the living room for me? I don't think I'm gonna leave the Joe Malone out.
Huh?
That candle, the winter cabin.
Which one? Oh.
And grab,
In the form?
yeah, and grab the stuff because I want to swing by the container store and return that stuff.
Swing by. Where's the container store?
It's in Atlanta.
We're not going to Atlanta.
Where we going?
We're going a little 5 points up more than Avenue. It's all the way up to me.
I need to return that stuff.
After you go Saturday today, anyways. Remember it's Friday. It's traffic. Let me go ahead and put in your car now?
Yeah, I guess so.
You want a drink?
Some water. I'm actually hungry all over again. Like a pregnant. Yeah. Where's the pregnant woman? Jesus Christ. I want to free up the kitchen because my goal is to show you guys a little bit more around the house. I know we have not given you guys a full tour, although you guys have actually seen the our entire home. I'm thinking, yeah, except for the exception of Jonathan's room. I'm gonna redo the office because I don't like what it's giving. But yeah, Bay's gonna turn Jonathan's room into her bay cave, and I am going to have the office to myself. So stay tuned for all of that. I'm gonna try to vlog all of that, and I'm also trying to get her or convince her to let me decorate her bay cave. But apparently I've been told that I'm a little controlling and want things on my way, so I reject that spirit. And I'm still working on her. See if she gonna let me decorate the bay cave. I'm gonna need her to grab another battery for me. These are some mini perfume samples that came in my Jo Malone candle that I got for a gift this year. And I thought, I'm going to put them in the car for those days. Babe, can you grab the extra camera? I mean, the extra battery. Baby looking like a snack, y'all. Thank you. What you doing? It's on the sofa in the family room. On a sectional. So, my lotion melting. The perfume is for those days that I forget to put some perfume on, because you guys know I love my fragrance and I be in a rut. Like if I'm rushing and I forget and I don't have anything, like I just don't feel complete. So I was like, I'm gonna put these sample bottles. I already have like a small Jimmy Choo bottle in here, but I was like, I'm gonna just have a little bit of everything in here for those moments where I do forget to grab or put on some perfume or whatever. Oh, what I do with the key? Oh.
Driver and diesel tech jobs in Atlanta, Georgia area.
What's the problem? I feel like we got a problem. What is the problem? Huh?
I understand why you never have any gas.
How much gas is in there? It is so freaking hot right now. I can't believe how hot it is. I have a quarter tank. That's gas to me.
I know, that's the problem.
It's gas to me. Quarter tank will take me to work and back.
I gotta get back home and work on my car.
Oh God.
Okay, what?
You about to play mechanic? You really about to play mechanic?
It's not mechanic.
Or body? What is it? What do they call it? Body shop? You about to play body shop?
Sure am. The guy showed me how to do it. Gave me an intensive, specific look for each part of how to look at my car. And I allowed to do it, so for whatever reason. But it took his time. He showed me how to do it. He went around the whole bumper. Showed me what each part latches onto. So, when I get back home, I'm going to do it. It is pretty easy though. All you do is snap.
It just like snap into place.
Yeah, I do gotta unscrew my tail light because he said it's gonna be hard to snap that one part in with the tail light being there because it's so close. So he showed me how to take out my tail light, or to loosen it so I can just lift it a little bit and tighten it back. He said I'll be in there. Make sure all of the screws. There's 3 parts that have to be on there tight, and there's screws which I didn't ever see because probably I would still have my original bumper.
You what?
I would probably have my original bumper. Because there's screws that from the original bumper that popped off loose that I didn't know.
Is that why?
From the actual, yeah, eventually it just started coming off.
I'm treating myself to a bottle of wine.
Excuse me?
Yes, that is my gift to myself for making the readiness award. So we got a bonus from work, and that is my treat to myself.
You got yours?
I did. Didn't you get yours last couple days?
You did? You got it already? When did they give it to you?
So I'm treating myself to that bottle of wine.
Starting route to Outback Bikes.
What's the street?
What's our ETA?
2.2 miles, turn left to merge onto I-20 East.
So do we have time for Starbucks?
No, we don't.
What do you mean we don't have time for Starbucks?
God damn it.
What?
Because we should have been there at 4, I don't want to get there right before they're closed. I got on the wrong glasses.
No, those are not your transitionals.
They are, they transition, but that's one of my clear glasses. I'm trying to debate too when we have an eye appointment. I don't think I'm getting another pair of glasses. I think I'm going to use, well actually I am. Because it's cheaper for me to just buy my glasses versus to use the insurance.
Really?
Yeah. I can buy them back for both pairs for like less than $100. I still got my ones that haven't expired yet. The ones I got last year, or just pay the $25 and get another free trial. I can go order those online, so there's no point of really using mine. And plus the pair I got last year, I'm gonna take them back when we go to our apartment also, because for whatever reason, I don't think they added the no scratch resistance. So I'm gonna have them pull it up and make sure it was in there and show them that my glasses are scratched and see if they replace the lens for free. If not, I'm gonna get a pair similar to what I got last year. And then just dispose of them because they're scratched up. If they can fix the lens. And also see if they will cover the ones that I like with the black frame that don't transition. I don't know. I do the same thing every year. The last 2 times, clearly they've been slipping. Alright, y'all. See y'all. You can hold on. Here, want to hold this one? Do one, yeah, we'll do one at a time. Thank you. So what can we help you with today? So we just want to get them looked at it to make sure they're good to go. Sounds perfect. All right, let's take them on back.
Depends on what kind of fight.
Depending on their schedule, did y'all have an appointment today?
No.
I called and they just said it's just something.
Basic tune-up?
We don't know yet. So.
Okay, well, yeah, we just want to look at it so you can tell us what shot. And you talk to somebody on the phone or like on the phone? Okay.
I have a 20 on them. I have a 20 on them. If you can break it, so you can give them a tip.
This one's good to go.
Awesome.
The one thing I will say is the rear derailleur cable's fraying apart. The next time you have to have that kind of reset or adjusted,
Okay.
you might have to change the cable out, just because it being frayed, once we unclamp it, there won't be a solid cable to clamp to anymore. So you're probably looking at that in the future, but at the moment it's holding fine and you
Okay.
can ride it as is.
Okay. How much does something like that cost me in the future?
Cables are usually about $8 a piece.
Oh, okay.
And install's about 20.
How soon do you think I should get that done?
Video.
When should I get that done?
Oh, I would just wait until it needs adjustment,
Okay.
and then just do it then.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Good. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yep, have a good one.
All right. So, do we just go? Do we just go to the front and
Oh,
what do we?
you don't know anything. You would just check
Oh.
them over and make sure they were safe.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
I guess I have a front answer.
Let them split it. Huh? Just let them split it. Give it to him. Give it to him.
Hi guys.
Thank you. Yeah, it's a jar.
All right.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
You too. Sweet and easy.
Got it all figured out.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You too. She tries to be like me.
I like people being able to test ride every part.
The bikes are good to go. As they should be. They're damn near brand new bikes, y'all.
Didn't even have to pay nothing. We've been
Nothing.
doing good.
We just tipped them. A really nice tip.
So they were really nice. I love honest people. Oh, 444 on your watch. So they could have told us anything, but they were very honest. They looked at them. They said we were good to go.
This is the place we'll come.
Yes, definitely worth the ride.
Jeep's nice.
Huh?
This Jeep is nice.
Oh, his Jeep is really nice. She want a Jeep so bad, y'all. Show y'all the Jeep. That great Jeep. Be careful. Don't mess up anything they done did. Oh, the Vortex is over here. So many like food choices. Like Hattie's hot chicken is over here. The Vortex. Of course, I'm gonna get me some Starbucks. Where's that? Some Starbucks. And where you trying to go? You trying to get some burrito tacos. It's on my chain. Your handle's on my chain. Yeah, we walking to Starbucks. Yeah. Oh, hold on. You said what people business, Lord. I'm talking about people. Personal shit. Well, not personal shit, but I don't want to be putting somebody's death out. Yeah, like that. The who?
You want one too? You want grande?
Huh?
Grande?
Yeah.
You want anything just as it is?
Hi.
Let me get 2 grande caramel ribbon crunch. Can I scan this on my card?
Yes. Scan right here.
You guys don't have like a protein box with salami and Kobe and jack cheese, the crackers.
We didn't have it. Oh, talking about the one that was just the meat and cheese. We ain't had that in
Ooh,
mine.
that tastes so good. Yeah.
When our coworker put it on a bagel.
I put it on a toasted croissant. So good.
Yeah, we ain't had it in a minute.
Yeah. Oh, quick question. Do you guys eat from Hattie's hot chicken?
I haven't, but it gotta be good the way they be up in there.
It's empty right now, but I was on their Instagram. I know I've seen it before on Instagram.
I heard that it's good.
You hear that's good?
I mean, I see it. It be packed sometimes.
Yeah, okay.
So I'm sure it's good.
Yeah, I'm thinking about trying that.
Yeah.
What you think? Yeah.
You know, I'm a chicken lover, so.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Can't go wrong with fried. Well, you can go wrong with fried chicken too.
Your receipt?
Have a great night.
You too, huh?
Did you want the receipt?
Yeah. Yes, I can scan it. Thank you.
My pleasure. Have a great day.
You too, huh? This is the airport. Got him a Swiss cheese. Oh. But you don't like Swiss cheese. You don't like Swiss cheese. You don't like Swiss cheese. Swiss cheese.
I don't, but I'll eat that. It's not my favorite. I don't eat it. I don't like
You
Gouda
don't like it,
cheese.
but you'll eat it?
I don't like Gouda cheese. I mean, feta.
I was gonna say because we love Gouda cheese.
I know. I don't like feta. Feta's the only cheese I will not eat. But except in it goes in lasagna, right? But it's cooked.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's cooked.
All right,
How are you?
Hungry now.
So you want to stay over here?
Huh? Oh. I kind of want both. Oh boy.
Oh, jeez. Hold on, I'll tell you. Just remember me. See? Not really. It's really bare minimum stuff. All joking aside, it's 57.
20 minutes away from Pretty Little Tacos.
I guess we wanna go there.
They're not letting it.
Why do I try?
It's in like a, it's not like, they don't have a restaurant. It's in like a food truck thing.
I love it.
No, they have a food truck also, but I don't know if it's out today. But their restaurant, like, it's in like a food court area. It's not.
Thank you.
It's not. You can kind of see the background. You can sit down and eat or whatever, but
Like a food court then?
yeah, cause it's called. It's in the. Well, yeah, it says food court. The name of it is called. The food court has a name.
I'm watching our truck over there in the other plaza because
You can put them back in your case.
yeah. Ooh, that looks good. What about water? Thank you.
Thank you.
It's just so good. So we have to grab my mask.
What's that, babe?
My mask. What happened?
This is what I be excited about. When this weather get like this, I drink all my frappuccinos and my iced coffees.
This
In the middle
ribbon,
of the day.
caramel ribbon crunch, guys, is everything. Don't recommend it always, because honey,
These calories.
I don't even want to talk about the calories in this here drink. It's a beautiful day in Atlanta. I'm literally sucking up sugar, y'all. Literally. I said I'm literally sucking up sugar. Oh, 7 Under right there. 7 Under. The natural organic store.
Oh, 700.
I love 7 Under. Our bikes are ready to go.
You need
I'm
that.
excited about the bikes. Not right now. I wasn't like worried. Oh, that sugar done went to me quick. And I'm loud. I wasn't worried, but I also did not. Like I said, I did not want this to be a big expense. Now, are we gonna be able to see the car from where we at? The Fruity Taco place?
Oh, no.
I don't know how I feel about leaving the bikes unattended.
I do you want to just go somewhere here? Because I don't know how to. The
can't
parking,
take
I
the
think it's in
parking?
a, yeah, it's in a parking deck.
Oh shit, oh, they are closing. All right, we'll be back when we figure it out.
Hey, we want to go to Pretty Little Tacos.
Okay. His valet is $25.
Okay.
Self-parking every 2 hours free.
Okay.
So you get both options.
I'm about to be real nosy. I'm trying to see what the hell is this in this Tesla. And y'all see that in there? Kind of little robotic thing is floating in there. Y'all see that? It is moving. I wonder if it's recording me. Can y'all see that?
I think it's a reflection.
It is not a reflection. I'm looking right at it. It probably is a reflection. Watch yourself. I think it's a reflection of the thing up there, maybe, perhaps.
It's a reflection of that.
I don't know.
Hell no. Right. Oh my God.
It was a reflection, y'all. Shit. I thought it was like the last days type thing. What?
You got some nice ass tires.
That's for me. You gonna need a ladder for that thing.
What?
You gonna need a ladder.
It got step things. You want ladder? What we part did? What did it do?
I don't know. Let me throw my gum out because I feel like I've been doing good, but then I don't remember if I was chewing. I think I probably was chewing. Come on, light skin. Honey, baby got inches. I said, come on, light skin. Have you figured out where we at?
Yeah, we parked at D1.
D1?
Yep. That's what I thought. We just went 3.
This is cute out here, y'all. Is that rain that I feel? I do feel rain.
Another Batman. Another Batman.
They were clearly running out of shit to make. Oh, have we been to this theater? I think.
Never.
Where's that? Can't tell the people?
Why we never been? I ain't know one was out here. They must be in here. Why we never been to Epic?
Yeah.
I ain't know one was out here.
This is really cute, guys. Stay tuned.
What's the best ramen?
You said shrimp.
I like the shrimp ramen spicy.
Yeah.
That's my
That's good, babe? Yeah, we'll do that.
Alright, y'all wanna now medium or spicy?
Spicy.
Spicy.
You want egg and corn inside?
Actually, do medium.
Medium. Medium. Yes.
Alright, anything goes, guys?
And for we put 2 oxtail burrito tacos on there, right?
2 orders.
Yeah.
You want 2? Because it comes with 4.
Oh, it comes with 4. Okay, that's fine. Never mind. Just one. Are they big or small?
They're like regular, like street size tacos.
So they're, yeah, I want my own thing.
Okay, do 2 orders of the juicy outfit.
Alright, anything else?
No, that's it. So, if we want beer or something, we gotta get from the bar right here in the middle. Yeah, that's it.
You can put your card.
Did you want some else to drink? Let me get a beer.
No, I'll go get a kill time over there.
What's your name?
Toya.
Phone number for the tips you get.
So y'all, it's about our 30-minute wait. Pretty Little Tacos is busy today. For our food, it's cool. So we're gonna sit here, chill, relax. Plus, we got time to kill because I'm not driving back home in this traffic. It's definitely traffic time because it is 5:49 definitely. We got the time to kill. Faye's looking at the menu to decide what she wants to drink. So her drink, chop it up a little bit. You're gonna give me a cocktail first and then probably a beer with my tacos. Or a Coke with my tacos, I don't know yet. I'm probably have a cocktail right now. Babe, you see anything you want? Do they even have martinis? Pretty sure they do. You can always get a martini made. So I'm not having it on the menu.
I'm just on the margarita.
Classic margarita.
Yeah.
All right. Y'all, let me go place this order.
So, yeah, he said they do classic on the weekend.
They got something in the bottom. Like these little sausage? The ramen? No, the taco. Oh, I don't do that. Oh. You gonna be okay? Well, I guess we'll drink the water. Want to mix it? Yeah. It came. Huh? It came through. Oh, okay. All right, y'all. We are done. Stuffed. Probably overate a little bit. Well, not that much, because to me the ramen was a little salty.
Oh, we're probably going down, cute.
But nonetheless, a really cute restaurant, or a little vibe in there, rather. We would definitely be back. What would you rate Pretty Little Taco?
I guess our salt sensitivity is real, y'all. I did like it. I did enjoy it. It was a little salty. So, man,
Maybe a 3 out of 5 for me.
3 out of 5. I was gonna say 7 out of 10. That's about equivalent.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So, that was our time trying that. So, we do like the food court. The area is real nice. We'll definitely come down here again and try something else. It was a fun little outing. A little date. No bad?
Yeah.
Love the inside. The food court is very
really
nice.
cute.
Yeah. So that's one reason we'll come back. They got that little bar in the middle. Nice sitting.
The drinks are actually really good.
Yeah. The comfort seating. So
Yes.
We'll
Seating definitely 5.
yeah. We'll definitely come
3.
back. But we have other places to try. So
Because the ramen was really, really cute, but it was definitely giving me
what?
grocery store ramen.
Oh, but you
It was
can't
not like
compare.
top 10 Jack.
That's
I
I knew
think-
she was gonna do it, y'all. You
It
can't
was
compare.
$60 worth of food. What do you mean? Of course I could compare.
You can't. But top
Noodles, $60.
We played. It wasn't that. It wasn't the noodles that was. This was them
How much was the
oxtails.
noodles?
It was them oxtails we paid for.
The oxtail was $18 a piece. So that means the noodles was about the same. If our stuff came to $60.
$18 a piece. That's about 40. I guess so. Yeah.
What's happening here?
So, babe, what are you doing? So yeah, it's all good. It was a try, worth the experience. My homeboy from work gave me another place to try. So when we got the taste for him again, we're gonna go there. But for now, y'all,
Like the car is safe, the bikes are safe. Because I was wondering. I was
Jesus.
worried.
She was so.
Hey guys, so it is like the day after our whole date night or whatever. My hair is giving y'all. I'm loving my little. Hold on, guys. I'm here. I'm actually filming the recording for YouTube. I'm closing it out. Yeah, I got y'all on mute. So yeah, guys. Yesterday was an amazing date day with Babe. Hold on, y'all. Yesterday was an amazing date day with Babe. We did Pretty Little Tacos. We went to get our bikes done and all that jazz. And then as we were closing out the video, our battery went dead. So this is me closing out the video. Stay tuned for more. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you are not following us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bells, and all that jazz. Drop down below in the comment section if you guys have been to Pretty Little Taco before. The food and the vibe was amazing. And yeah, thank y'all for working with us, and remember to always live life boldly. Peace.